Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history smartly. To truly grasp history, move beyond simple memorization. Engage actively with the material, connecting new information to what you already know. Focus on understanding the underlying reasons for events, not just the facts. This approach makes learning more meaningful and helps you retain details much longer, making your study time far more effective. Once you're actively engaged, try some proven techniques. Timelines are fantastic for seeing how events unfold over time, giving you a clear chronological picture. Flashcards are perfect for drilling those key dates, figures, and terms. And don't underestimate the power of discussion. Talking about history with friends can solidify your knowledge and offer new perspectives.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And speaking of smart, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can ask it about historical facts or set study timers. Check the description below for the Echo Dot link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
A smart historian always questions their sources. When reading, evaluate the author's viewpoint and any biases they might have. Think about the historical context surrounding the source's creation. What was happening at that time? Always cross-reference information with several different sources to ensure accuracy and get a well-rounded understanding of events. History isn't just about the past. It's deeply connected to our present. Look for recurring patterns and themes that appear across different periods. Consider how historical events directly relate to current global issues and challenges. Understanding past decisions helps us comprehend how our world was shaped, offering valuable lessons for today and tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.